You just come on the blood clot and pipe the
thing. I'm not do internet badness. You see it? So if she feel like she have something, she come take it to me. Alright? Cause me not argue with girl. She bright. You see it? Me and blame them nothing and nothing. But not come argue with Vanya. Vanya look a clout and she can't get it off of Benzema. No time, no day, no hour. Benzema come by yourself to sell or cream them. Me no come from here for look a friend from no batty boy and no suck pussy girl. You see it? Yeah, that's right there. Remember say me no come on internet and argue. That's not my thing. I remember say me not for argue for pay my bills. No. Me come and me sell my cream and me gone. You never see me in an argument? Me not do that. So just want me tell blame them. For your peace and safe life, no add me with that girl. Cause if she have a problem with me,
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat, and as can see upon the screen, internet sensation Ivany and Wasp BMW is back at it again. And it's not a good look because more secrets is releasing to the public that was unbeknown to us. Listen, my people, boy, I don't even know where to start because, wow, we didn't know that snow was moving like Diddy. Really? So Ivany is letting us know that Snow Diddy did set Wasp BMW that she by Akeem Blaze, and one bag of things. It's a mass, you know, the usual with Snow, Nicholas, and all of this stuff. This thing between Ivany and Wasp started all because Wasp was blocked by Ivany and ended up joining the live through Blam Blam. And that is why you heard her in the beginning say what she said. You see, ma say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, that didn't go too lightly with Ivany because you know she runs the apps. His side, so she was handling business. Listen, ma say, so that was just a quick intro to see all the thing go. Come on, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's kind of long overdue. I don't know why these people who have beef with Ivany end up go up on the apps and a nice her up, like Akeem did. You feel me? End up get thrown under the bus for them bottom business and all of this stuff. This is my access. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
hopefully Emmy get the help because I don't want Emmy go to Jamaica for true. Your fans, Smaddy, add me my fans, Smaddy.
Yeah, I'm at Benzema. What's Benzema?
Me nobody know.
You're not good.
Me and nobody know nothing. I co-worker them.
She promote sell pussy candy song.
paranormal bleacher, then
So
never
what make you call her sell pussy?
Me not like candy
the
bad man.
face cream, the facial serum, what cover that one to know?
Let me see who me can.
And the radiant bar.
Guys, who Ziggy over there play with?
What go on? Go look her. Now me will come back.
Yeah, you're not Ivany.
What you say I go on? What she say? Cause she come from live and I say nothing. What go on? Right then.
You're not yell up Ivany.
So now she come from live and she feel me. Come in and run down people.
Me I run you down. What did that? Your brighty yellow for
The
what?
father girl is here now.
Shut up, old girl. Go suck out your mother.
Are you come from the live?
Batman, Me na yell Batman. You look like a transmission. When me a yell for about me for company life for come hear you. Your brighty. Spit in your face. I want to that deadless, boneless girl. Like when Smaddy did, you go dig up a bone. Hey, girl, don't ramp with me. I saw no walk and picture with people. Walk and spit by your dirty girl. When me a heal transmission fan, shit up old girl. I know it start, Add back her dirty blood clot. Yeah, Smaddy, call to who? And you see you look like dead in a castic. Like kids and your mouth. You look like when people dead and then go dig up the grave and say be a boneless pan the grave. I would have done together.
Yeah,
but she come heal who? Go suck your mother girl. And you shit up all. I wonder why you can't come blood clot talk to Akeem Batman because you don't want the Batman them box you up. The man ask you if you're heal Vani. You don't have to say nothing like come in and say nothing. That's the problem start and then when me start talk now you go, you say me a pick pan you. My company live, you not heal me not heal you. Why make you could just stay there, so? Could I stay there, so, you know? Cause you not look for a call for me, now blood clot look for a call for neither. There's been multiple times me and you join live and me first officer Wagwan was. And me first officer Wagwan was. Every time I come on the live, girl, you more than me. Go suck your mother, you bigger than me. You just come on the blood clot and pipe down. Could that be your grandmother? So good girl. Shit up pussy girl. But the man them fuck you till the day you have a flesh left by you. Go suck your mother. And that's why I'm glad all my blood clot hold firm because now you can't hype on me, boy. You come talk about no she for call to me, she see me as so. Me not say nothing because you look like a black when time people dead. Me sorry, me never see you for call to you. You're bright. I saw on a low key like to pick trouble. Was remember you and the Batman them catch up over Akeem and then burn up Akeem blood clot care over Portmore, you know. And at the gas station they say, you know, go ring out your mama. Go ring out your mother. Heads and yam your out girl. Go ring out your mama. You look like dead in a castic. You's a real man. Remember Nicky Chroma scream, you're selling a come go on like you have no blood clot business, boy. Remember you used to help Nicky Chroma sell cream. And you teeth the woman remedy. And start sell blood clot cream too. You know no brains. The company can make it look like, oh, me just get up and me just find one remedy and I sell. And Nicky Chroma they used to help your teeth woman blood clot cream. That's why your new man no friend again. And start sell cream in next week. You start sell blood clot cream. And I come boast pan people. Family fuck out mattress. Tell the people that when me and step I go to all the treatment, them different. Talk about that. But could talk about all the treatment, them different. You have to suck off cocky. Forget I look at 30,000. My presence alone pay me, bitch. I have to skin out my mouth and fuck out. I can walk in a gozo house and take up any cash me sit on the table. Any cash dip on the ground. We can ring him and ask him. Don't size up. No, it hurt me for true because I not trouble the bitch. Blame them. Why do you hear me talk about Akeem them? I could I get her involved, you know? I know what I say. I say, guys, me not gonna talk certain things. Come on, money, I fly, I go for. I say, me not gonna talk certain things because it will get a whole heap of people involved.
Yeah.
I mean, now I get what's involved. Because the girl low-key now really fuck around me. Me not run up in her, blame them. Enough time me dep on the live, and she send me request. Me not run up in her she. Why do she have her birthday match? And me not know who must in there show up or what she do. Out of everybody pan blood clot TikTok, I mean she call for come play a match.
True. In short,
I mean she call she dep on Maya page and me never want go.
Do you think I bet
because me I say Maya page she dep on and me a Maya no friend. Until the people them come say Maya say it's not a problem, you can't come. I never want to go over them. I go over there play match. People them there ever support the bitch. The girl hardly I get gift. Nobody ever send her no gift. About 3 games we play, I win her the 3 blood clot game her birthday. It like they feel so tense. The people them send her back a your yard. Every day you text my phone, you ask me about bother. Tell me I have to block your blood clot off of my page.
Bust it up, Ivany, bust it up.
Me have to block her off of my page. Every time she blood clot text me. I she ever text me. Me not text her.
Show me message
she ever blood clot text me. I want to find out this. I want to find out.
Show me message them, Ivany. Show me message them. I ain't have them on the phone.
Me know why you boots me neither. Cause you know what you do when you add her.
No mix up your deal with. I want nobody can turn for me.
Me no need. I'm black. You go suck on the mama.
Suck your mother, girl. I can't style me.
Yeah, come over here.
Where me do nothing? Me trouble you?
Me need to talk to you.
Oh,
well,
sorry,
I talk to you now.
Sorry,
dead mama. Fuck out your mama, blam them. Come live. Go suck your mother, Batty boy. Me unfollow you and block you too. Me that chat to you so good, Batty man. Go ring out your mama where you don't know. Drunk crow. Come on for this blood club. Me know you. But I talk to you. One tick and anybody have Gozo number know say Gozo have up the picture here right now. Everybody know that number you know say Gozo have up that picture here right now. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. And any of them this me down to him and him blood clot artist I get it too. Don't ramp with me. Blame them, yeah, next one. Don't ever run up in on me. I want you to stop call on my phone. I'm just hanging up. I'm not interested in that, you know. I'm not interested in that, so good. I always so good was, hey girl, make me have to go for my laptop and study this and get you back in a blood clot spirit. Make me have to drop for my laptop and get you back in a blood clot spirit. Cause this time you go drop and go 6 feet deep. But up on my blood clot live. Blam them say. If me didn't know you have a problem with me block you a long time, you know. If me didn't know you have a problem with me block you a long time. Me up on my live. Blam them say. We say we are going to add some people. You need to come out and them ear power screen record and say, you know, fuck the man, we are batty man. What's your pussy shit up? Wasp, let's not forget when my Akeem page me expose all of the messaging between you and Akeem. I only a dumb blood clot fool that come talk on the internet say a lie. When me go in on your page, that was the first thing I went in. You and Akeem messages from blood clot Instagram. And it make you Akeem left batty man. It make you Akeem left Batman. A Batman you fuck. A Batman Akeem a fuck. And you find out make you left Akeem. The reason why Akeem and Latricia did left because Latricia go stop Tammy Hood and Akeem go find the video in a Latricia phone. And that make Latricia and Akeem left. The reason why you are Akeem left because you know say Akeem a Batman. And your mind man like dog. Your mind man like blood clot dog. When you are Akeem and Akeem not start beat out your blood clot. Akeem would have beat you gone to sick. Akeem not start punch up. The first time I see Akeem punch up in the face, me, you, Akeem and blood clot enhance over Portmore. Couple weeks after I come out of jail. And the whole way I chill over Akeem you over Portmore. And man I call your phone. And blood clot Akeem thumping in your mouth. And you take up your things and go over AC hotel. You go over blood clot AC hotel. And Akeem mama for come out and ask Akeem a wagwan and what the load nice and whatever. You get vexed and you left me a enhance over there and got AC hotel and me a enhance for blood clot get taxi and go back and do any park. Akeem not start beat you and punch you up like a punching box. You start make look money for your cream. You have your little Benz. Not even a week after you go buy Akeem Benz. You go buy Akeem blood clot Benz. Yeah, Akeem start post up on YouTube and go out and a post. Akeem man them never like it cause Akeem man them don't like you. Akeem man them don't like you. You got Portmore, me, you, Enhance, and Akeem. We go up on Elsha Beach to have fun. And the whole of we buy we rum them and something and got Elsha Beach. You make blood clot Akeem tell you, oh, I'm going to buy up some things for go back on the beach. When it look like a Akeem girl call him, so-called girl man call him. The same blood clot girl. What the Batman the name? The same Batman when they with too much years. Where all of them ever got Panama. You make that the man they call Akeem for come meet him at gas station. Snow call Akeem. And Akeem have to lift up from the blood clot beach. Him alone left me, you and Enhance on the beach. And Akeem lift up and got them. I remember what the gas station name out of Portmore there so. Figure meet Snow. And Snow set up in blood clot because him never did that here for left you alone. You know what my guys? You saw them reach out on the blood clot gas station. Snow and the rest of Batman friend them burn up the car out of the gas station. It is digital footprint it there all the while. I'm talk about it up on YouTube. Snow and the Batman friend them set the blood clot car afire out of the gas station at Portmore. Uno never be real. Uno never yet once hear in the life say Wasp Benzema Benz did the pan. Let's see if we can go up on YouTube. Cause some man are going like on a blood clot member cause uno like it look so good. Uno like the so good girl and the Batman. Uno never did remember when Wasp Benzema car did smoke out up at the blood clot gas station over Portmore. I don't remember where the gas station me. I don't know Portmore that well. And the Batman Snow and him friend them set our car up on fire out there. Them trick Akeem. Akeem did up on the beach with me, Enhance and blood clot Wasp on the beach. I met the Batman them call him. And him go out there for go meet Snow and him friend them get mad out of jealousy from Wasp and burn up the car. I want man a pass and video it and they all over on Instagram. When Wasp get the car, say the car out there on fire, we'd have to lift up fast, me and she and Enhance, and she have to drive the car, go out of the gas station. Go out there, go see Akeem and how much people are trying out the blood clot car. Snow end up go live the night and I brag on that boy with almost 6,000 blood clot people per Instagram. Snow go live. With almost 6,000 people over Instagram, I watch the live. I laugh with the Batman friend and I say, you can't diss me, you can't diss me. And I go on, I watch my trading because I can't afford to make me lose my money. Snow out there, I hype about the blood clot car. What's your car hype and no girl about Batman no fuck you. Batman fuck you. When you ask Akeem about it, because everybody a talk about it on Instagram, him keep on a deny. Yeah, and him did left for about couple months well. Yeah, and him start talk back again. You buy Akeem phone, you buy Akeem clothes, you buy Akeem grocery, you buy Akeem jewelry, you put money in a Akeem pack. One of the time you Akeem did a plan for keep one blood clot water party. You mind man like a dog was. You mind man like dog, so good girl. You mind man like dog. Bitch, you can't come about me drunk from me know no file, I don't have no file for me come and put my business on the internet. Dirty bitch. Jealous over what? I'm for jealous over you. When me a enhance you today, I never once fuck pan enhance. When me a enhance you today, I never want fuck pan enhance. And ya Akeem they stop walk and make Tammy Lee dig out your throat back. Remember when we just come out of jail? When me just come out of jail. For look at incident thing when me remember when me did lock up and you was enhance used to care food and Akeem can't give me to do any part there so. Me tell you how me did get locked up. Me and Shay did a fight. Shady carry Batman them for come beat me up. And when we got the station, they lock up me and her and she get bail. And when the time me forget bail, them say me have a
Yeah, and she said a lot more. We will go through it and pick out the good stuff, obviously. But just follow me on all of my platform, them, you know, my other channel, them pan. Yeah, so obviously, I know over this. So he said myself because we're dropping a range of various topics, you know. This see myself, baga mix up and entertainment news and all of these good stuff. Cause you know, so them basically fire MC nothing in a sense, you know. But nevertheless, people just giving a quick update while going for not to go and you see me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest. Bless.